CVMC, ECE, NMMC, EEE, Unit 4, Vector Differentiation, Lesson 8, Problem 19. Show that R power n R bar is irrotational vector for any value of n, but is solenoidal if n plus 3 is equal to 0. Solution: irrotational vector means if curl f bar is equal to 0, then f bar is called irrotational vector. If divergence f bar is equal to 0, then f bar is called solenoidal vector. So now your given one is R power n R bar. Take that vector as capital F bar. R power n R bar. R power n R bar is xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar is equal to R power n xi bar, R power n yj bar, R power n zk bar. Your R bar is xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. What is small r? Mod R bar is equal to root over x square plus y square plus z square. Squaring on both sides. Differentiating partially with respect to x. R square derivative, x square derivative 2x. Same model R square derivative 2r. But R is a function of x, y, z. So R derivative with respect to x, write dou r by dou x. X square derivative 2x plus with respect to x, y constant, with respect to x, z constant. So constant derivative 0, constant derivative 0, plus 0 plus 0. You need not write. So dou r by dou x is equal to x by r. Similarly, dou r by dou y is equal to y by r, dou r by dou z is equal to z by r. Curl f bar is equal to del cross f bar is equal to determinant first row I bar, j bar, k bar. Second row dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Third row f bar, curl f bar. So f bar is there. So you write coefficients of I bar, j bar, k bar of f bar as third row. R power nx, R power ny, R power nz. This is the definition of or method of obtaining curl is equal to. So smaller problems use the sigma notation here. Sigma I bar, deleting this one column, dou by dou y of R power n z minus dou by dou z of R power n y is equal to sigma I bar partial derivative with respect to y, z constant. R power n derivative n into r power n minus 1, r derivative with respect to y, dou r by dou y. Minus here partial derivative with respect to z, y constant. R power n derivative n into r power n minus 1, r derivative with respect to z, dou r by dou z is equal to sigma I bar z n power n into r power n minus 1 dou r by dou y is y by r minus y n into r power n minus 1 dou r by dou z is z by r. Sigma I bar, this is n r power n minus 2 yz minus n r power n minus 2 yz. So plus term minus term cancel. Sigma 0 nothing but 0. Expanding sigma 0 plus 0 plus 0 0. Therefore f bar is equal to r power n r bar is an irrotational vector for any value of n. Whatever the value n, we get 0. So for any value of n, it is irrotational. Now we have to prove solenoidal. It is solenoidal. What is the condition when it is solenoidal? So you first find divergence. Divergence of r power n r bar is equal to sigma dou by dou x, coefficient of I bar in r power n into r bar, that is r power n x is equal to sigma uv formula, apply uv formula, u into v, r power n into x derivative 1 plus x into r power n derivative n into r power n minus 1, r derivative dou r by dou x. This is equal to sigma r power n plus x into n r power n minus 1. This is dou r by dou x is x by r. Sigma r power n plus n into r power n minus 2 x square. Now how to expand sigma? You first write the term as it is, r power n plus n into r power n minus 2 x square, plus you write same term but instead of x you write y, r power n plus n into r power n minus 2 into y square, plus r power n plus n into r power n minus 2, after y write z square. So r power n, 3 r power n plus common, from this you common n into r power n minus 2, x square plus y square plus z square, 3 r power n plus n into r power n minus 2, x square plus y square, this is nothing but r square, 3 r power n plus n into r power n minus 2 plus 2. So 3 r power n plus n r power n, you common r power n, we get n plus 3. So divergence, whenever divergence 0, we get condition. So del dot r n r bar is equal to 0 implies r power n into n plus 3 is equal to 0. This implies n plus 3 is equal to 0 by something 0. So n plus 3 0. So the given vector is divergence is solenoidal if n plus is equal to 0. Therefore, given vector r for n r bar is solenoidal vector if n plus 3 is equal to 0. Problem 20. Problem 20. Find the value of small a if the vector ax square y plus yz into I bar plus xy square minus xz square into j bar plus 2xyz minus 2x square y square into k bar has zero divergence. Also find curl of the above vector which has zero divergence. Solution. According to given problem, the vector has zero divergence for what value of a. So zero divergence delta f bar is 0. We have to find a value. So take this vector as f bar. F bar is equal to ax square y plus yz I bar plus xy square minus xz square j bar plus 2xyz minus 2x square y square k bar. Find divergence f bar. Del dot f bar is equal to, what is the formula for this? Formula for this, given del dot f bar is equal to 0. Divergence, zero divergence. So given del dot f bar is equal to 0. So del dot f bar is equal to dou by dou x of I bar coefficient of f bar a x square y plus yz plus dou by dou y of j bar coefficient xy square minus xz square plus dou by dou z of k bar coefficient 2xyz minus 2x square y square is equal to 0. That is given. Zero divergence is given, so is equal to 0. With respect to x, partial derivative with respect to x, ay constant, x square derivative 2x, yz derivative, yz is constant with respect to x, yz constant derivative 0. Plus here with respect to y, x constant, y square derivative 2y, xz square derivative 0. Plus with respect to z, 2xy constant, z derivative 1 minus this one is constant with respect to z, so constant derivative 0. Constant derivative 0. 2axy plus 2xy plus 2xy is equal to 0. So 2axy is equal to 2xy plus 2xy. 4xy becomes minus 4xy. Xy cancel. A value minus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 2. Substituting a value in above, f bar is equal to minus 2x square y plus yz I bar plus you write remaining terms as it is. There is no y, there is no a here. Instead of a you write minus 2. There is no a here. You write this step as it is. Now we have to find curl a bar. So curl a bar is equal to del cross a bar is equal to determined. First row I bar, j bar, k bar. Second row dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Third row you write I bar, j bar, k bar coefficients of f bar here. So minus 2x square y plus yz, xy square minus xz square, 2xyz minus 2x square y square. Expanding I bar into deleting this row column, we get dou by dou y of this one. Y derivative 1, we get 2xz. Y derivative 1 minus 2x square constant, y square derivative 2y. Minus here with respect to z, xy square 0, minus and minus plus x into 2z, z square derivative 2z. This is I bar plus j bar, minus j bar into dou by dou x of this one. 2yz constant, x derivative 1, minus 2y square constant, x square derivative 2x, minus dou by dou z of this one. So 0 minus y into z derivative 1. Plus k bar into, deleting this row and this column, dou by dou x of this one. Y square into 1 minus z square into 1. Minus here 2x square into 1, 2x square into 1, minus and minus, this is plus, this is minus z into 1. So this is equal to I bar 2xz minus 2x square into 2y. So 4x square y, 4x square y plus 2xz minus j bar into 2yz minus 4xy square minus y plus k bar into y square minus z square plus 2x square minus z. Result. What is del dot del f? This is equal to del dot. What is del f definition? I bar dou f by dou x plus j bar dou f by dou y plus k bar dou f by dou z. Del dot means divergence. How to get divergence? Write sigma notation. Dou by dou x of I bar coefficient, dou f by dou x. Sigma, this is dou square f by dou x square. Expanding sigma, you write first term as it is, plus instead of x you write y, dou square f by dou y square. Instead of y you write z. This is the way of writing the expanding the sigma. This is nothing but del square f, Laplacian notation. So del square f. So del dot del f is equal to del square f. This is very important result. Del dot means dive, grad. f is equal to del square f. Problem 21. Problem 21. Show that div grad r power n is equal to n into n plus 1 r power n minus 2, or r. Show that del square r power n is equal to n into n plus 1 r power n minus 2. Solution. So smaller problem. So here you write your capital R bar is xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Small r is mod r bar is equal to root of mod definition x square plus y square plus z square. Squaring on both sides, r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Differentiating partially with respect to x, r square derivative 2r dou r by dou x is equal to x square derivative 2x plus y square derivative y with respect to x, y constant, with respect to x, z constant. So constant derivative is 0 plus 0 plus 0. You not right. This implies dou r by dou x is equal to x by r. Similarly, dou r by dou y is equal to y by r. Dou r by dou z is equal to z by r. Div grad r power n is equal to del dot del r power n is equal to del square r power n is equal to sigma notation dou square by dou x square of r power n is equal to sigma dou by dou x again dou by dou x of r power n sigma dou by dou x. This is n into r power n minus 1 r derivative dou r by dou x sigma dou by dou x of n into r power n minus 1. This is x by r. Dou r by dou x value is x by r. This is equal to sigma dou by dou x of n into r power n minus 2 into x. This is u, this is v. Apply uv formula for getting second derivative. Sigma u into n into r power n minus 2. V derivative 1, x derivative 1. So v derivative 1 plus x into derivative of this n into n minus 2 r power n minus 2 minus 1 n minus 3 into r derivative with respect to x dou r by dou x. This is sigma n r power n minus 2 plus n into n minus 2 r power n minus 3 x dou r by dou x is x by r sigma n r power n minus 2 plus n into n minus 2 r power n minus 4 into x square. Now expand sigma. How to expand sigma? We write first term, this term as it is n into r power n minus 2 plus n into n minus 2 r power n minus 4 x square plus, say you write same terms, instead of x write y, n into n minus 2 r power n minus 4 y square plus n into r power n minus 2 n into n minus 2 r power n minus 4. After y write z, so z square. This is the way of writing the sigma notation. So here n into r power n minus 2 3 times, 3n r power n minus 2. You common here n into n minus 2 into r power n minus 4. We get x square plus y square plus z square. 3n r power n minus 2 plus n into n minus 2 r power n minus 4 into this is r square. 3n r power n minus 2 plus n into n minus 2 r power n minus 2 minus 4 plus 2 is equal to, you common n into r power n minus 2, 3 plus n minus 2. This is nothing but n into n plus 1 into r power n minus 2. Hence proved.